And Zane, it could be a while because the rain just keeps on coming.
Yeah, and we have some more rain falling right now in some places. Todd, at this hour, let's take a look at the downtown Skycam here in Des Moines. Gray, actually, if you just went a few miles to the south, basically down towards the Highway 5 bypass by the airport, it would be back to clear again. There's a little shower right over the metro area and a few other spots like we showed you a little earlier on in the show at this hour. Now, in general, we're going to say tonight's going to be quieter because we won't have as many storms as we've had the last couple of nights, a little more isolated activity. The main story then going forward this week is going to be the heat ramping up. Got at least 2, maybe 3 days worth of some triple-digit heat index values ahead for most folks. And then we'll return to more storms by later this week as soon as Thursday. Outside right now, there you can see where we've got some of our rainfall, sort of a little broken line of some storms stretching from the Des Moines Metro down the River Valley into parts of Marion and Mahaska counties. And then there's a little more potent cell right in the middle of Adair County at this hour. There have been some reports of a couple of funnel clouds out towards the Atlantic area. Not surprising, just because we've got some storms that are right along a boundary, basically stretching east to west across Iowa, and sometimes those storms, interact with the boundaries. There's just enough spin, and you basically can get a little bit of that spin sucked up into the cloud. Usually isn't going to form a tornado, doesn't last very long, probably not an issue, but if you see something like that under a storm today, this evening, that might be possible. Now let's watch as we head through the rest of the evening. Not a bad modeling scenario to start out here. At least it looks kind of like what things are happening like at this hour. That sort of dies off through the evening. And then we'll watch sort of 2 zones for possible more storms tonight. Far southern Iowa into northern Missouri. And then there will be some storms that try to move out of South Dakota into far northern Iowa. I'm not 100% sold that they'll move that far south down to, like Rockwell City and Fort Dodge along Highway 20. Most of us will be drier tonight than last night, which, is a pretty low bar. Otherwise, we're going to be keeping a lot of clouds around tonight through the overnight hours. Tomorrow, maybe an isolated shower up towards the Minnesota border into your Monday morning. By the afternoon, we're looking at sunnier skies, and then we're looking at hotter air after that. So RAGBRAI today, not bad weather. Tomorrow, as they go around the Iowa Great Lakes briefly into Minnesota and then over towards Estherville, only 70s to about 80. That part of the state, one of the cooler areas. Down here around the middle of Iowa, upper 80s to maybe near 90 will be your temperature. The heat index well into the 90s for Monday. Notice that boundary, it's still kind of bisecting the state northwest to southeast. So 80s northeast Iowa, pushing 100 to the south and west. That's Monday. Now by Tuesday, the heat becomes more widespread, more intense. 100 to 110 degree heat index values for Tuesday. That's day 1. And then as we head towards Wednesday, that's day 2 of triple-digit heat index values here. We might still have some of that heat on Thursday as well. It's just going to depend on the timing of some more storms that are going to come in here as we head towards the end of the week. So as we go through the next few days, temperatures go up, humidity stays with us as well. Storms still possible this evening, but otherwise dry. Just uncomfortable weather into the middle of the week.